Hey everyone, it's Julia Torrance here, and today I'm going to show you my original nail art tutorial. I came up with the nail art design myself that I made, and that's what you'll be seeing in this video. I have a really big passion for art. I also did this eye makeup based off my brand logo, Juliray Artistry, and I'm the creator and owner of that, so I'm also from Vancouver, BC, and you'll probably see an eye makeup tutorial for that sometime. So yeah, so enjoy the video.
So I'm just painting some hearts now on my nail. I used a toothpick to make that design, and I made the hearts a bit bigger, so I just actually decided I wanted to go with a bit of a different shape. And yeah, so I'm using Sally Hansen Extreme Wear nail polish, and that's what I'm doing for this nail. Yeah, so I'm just trying to make sure the color's all evened out. And in case you're wondering what music I'm using for this video, it's just an original piano song I made up. Now I'm going to use Sally Hansen Green Shade Extreme Wear just to make some green polka dots, kind of like a bit of a random design here I'm going for, but yeah, these are just like overall going to be like some nice spring nail design, so that's the type of theme I'm going for my nail art. Now I'm just going to use my Modelones nail art brush just to add some more polka dots to this nail design I got going here. And yeah, I'm probably going to blend the colors so it looks like a cool different like wave of colors. So I'm going to blend those in and make it look like a cool variety of colors all blended together. And another thing about the song, it's just based off my brand, Juliray Artistry. Alright, so this is how it's going. Yeah, I really like how my nail art is going so far. And yeah, so you can also see on my channel, I created a short video of this nail art, and you'll see probably some other versions of my nail art on my channel if you want to see more. You can check those out too. And some of them are shorts on my YouTube channel too, so you can check those out if you want. And this is what I'm doing now with the yellow, just filling this nail in to the way I would like it to be. Now I'm just going to use my clear nail polish here that I've got for my nails, and so I'm just filling in my nails with the clear nail polish and making sure it looks all even. And generally speaking, I would do like 3 layers of the clear polish, so that's what I recommend for this. But yeah, I just showed you the basic idea of how I've done this nail art, and that was how it was done. You can see the details here of each nail. So yeah, these are like spring floral type of nails that I did in my own way. Yeah, so that's them. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Bye.
Thank you to all viewers for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe, and you will see me in other videos, which I'm looking forward to. And yeah, so my art style is usually contemporary realism, but I'm interested in doing other art styles for myself also in my own way. And I'm on Etsy. My name is Juliray Artistry. You can also follow me on Instagram, Juliray Artistry. And yeah, so thank you. And I love doing nail art, and I really had fun making this video. So I appreciate everyone who's watched it. Thank you.